or if it's if the base gave away, so if the rock crumbled.
You could do 10 at 045 more.
Roger.
Let's put him a little closer.
Bridge now. $10 meters, 045. Thank you. Okay, we'll mark that as the end.
All right, so that's the end?
Yep.
T8E.
Okay. Now let's find some cool stuff.
All right.
We know approximately how long that one took?
Yeah, I can measure the time when I drop the target. We dropped it at 1917 and it's 2011 now, so almost an hour.
Abby, there's another sheepdog at the top there.
Yep.
Right, so you guys just let us know when you'd like us to try and collect one.
Okay.
Tilt up a little.
Is it possible to
Tilt
go
up a little, Michael, please.
and over to the port?
And you let us know if it's a bad position for the vehicle, because at least with the sheepdogs we're seeing lots of them about, so it doesn't have to be.
I think there was one further up.
Further up?
There.
Oh, that one.
Let me get my thingy.
You want to sample that one? Is that what I'm hearing?
If you're in a good position, please. Yes, we would like to sample it.
All right.
It looks quite small as well, so if
there's some more up there.
Grab the whole thing.
Yeah, and if that starboard firebox is working, then maybe.
Yes, it is.
It's got a little slot.
Yes.
It can go in with any coral.
Okay. For now, I guess I'll space them out, and if we end up needing to double up, I will keep that in mind.
Turn the light on, Mike. Thank you.
That's a nice shot.
You want another bit forward?
So I don't know if that's a brachiopod or if that's a little.
You can always drop down a bit.
Clam.
Yeah. Is that a brachiopod or is that, sorry, that's probably what you guys were talking about. I just zoned out for a second.
That is the question.
Hey, come on. You can zoom in there, Marley, if you want. Get a close up before we sample.
Thank you. Yeah. Nice. All right, I got those kicked up a little there.
Go full wide, please. Steal the camera for a second here. You want to hit us with a porch light? Good force. Not 9. Well, 2. Okay, video, you can zoom in there. That's good. How about a little more zoom?
Yep.
You can kill the porch light for a minute now, Mike.
All right, so if it'll fit, let's go starboard C, small C.
Starboard B.
C.
C.
E.
Show me the manipulator azimuth with bubble. And isolate the starboard vert. Isolate starboard vert. Zoom in there if you want, Marley.
Zoom it in.
And we'll go for salvo, suction salvo.
Oh.
So starboard vert's isolated, check. Okay, I think you can open there. Starboard C, you say?
And that's number 35.
Correct. Up.
Palms away.
Nice. Beautiful.
Nice
Okay,
job, Aaron.
close,
Thank
close,
you.
close.
Fantastic.
I still got something on the,
Oh,
it's a little
it's all
piece.
right. We got a lot of it.
Got most of it.
Lost a tiny little piece. Okay, cool.
What's that? You can,
Excellent. Thank you for
you
that.
can turn the vert back on and go back to our regular salvo, yeah. Our pleasure. We need to fill all our sample boxes up before the next shift comes up. Okay, you can bring bubble back to where it normally is, please.
Yeah.
Both verts are back on, Reg. Roger.
Do you know what kind of clam that just was?
I don't know. I'll have a look on the science chat and see if anyone can help out on that.
All right.
So our next waypoint that we had selected, which is 1.11, that's about 100 meters upslope. So we have the choice to kind of go there somewhat directly, or we could just travel upslope and then lateral over. Going there directly, I think, it depends. Depends on what this terrain looks like here. Versus just going up it and then over.
Talking to me?
Yeah.
So
we got to go there.
either way is fine with science.
Okay.
Yeah, this is sort of exploration mode, so we're just keeping our eyes out for the target species, but there's not really a good way to predict which route we'll get lucky on.
Yeah, so that'll take us, you know, just to a different depth. We'll see how we end up getting there.
It's shallower than this one, is it?
It is. Yep, 100 meters shallower.
Yeah, probably go up the cliff here and then follow the contour line if I had my choice. But so
Yeah. So the general bathy should make that like roughly north.
Yeah.
What's what would north do?
Yeah, yeah, roughly.
Just line up north in front of Argus, and then well, maybe we'll step over a little bit first. We'll keep going. 090. Go 090 for another 20 meters, and then we'll go up, something like that.
Yeah, sure.
Bridge now.
Come up, Mike, please.
20 meters, bearing 090. Argus is at 60. That slightly off.
Yeah, that'll work.
Yeah. Make it work.
I can go east for a minute.
A different sponge.
Yeah.
Salastra. We were seeing lots of those earlier.
The one below it or
They
the one
look
on the
different
lasers?
here.
The shelf sponge, is that what we're looking at?
Hold what you
Correct,
got there,
the
Mike.
lasers.
Okay, Miley, you can zoom.
Zoom in.
Some lysocene sponges right next to it.
Oh, little tiny ones. Yeah, I think you're right.
A little
So this is a demo
tube
sponge.
wormy things.
Oh, the serpulid worms? I think, maybe.
Oh, little shrimpy.
Come on. Have to zoom out a bit there. And get smearing it all over the cliff.
Yeah, those did look like serpulid worms.
Happy with that? Keep moving.
Yeah.
I see him, thank you. Oh, so just under the lasers, there were some little white tubes.
Yeah, it looks like
We don't need to look at that one, but it's I think that's a different type of glass sponge, Tritodictium, and that is also on our list. But that was a very small little patch, but it just it's something to look out for as well. They
What
just
were we
look like
looking at?
It's off screen on the bottom,
Just so I know what
Yeah.
we're looking for.
right there. Next to the right of the shrimp.
they Just
Oh,
there,
I
just
see what
came
you're
back
saying,
into
like
view
right
again. It's
there.
like little tubes, little white tubes.
Yep, see it. Right by the lasers.
And they, if it's that, I mean, that's a very
Zoom in
small little
on it.
patch, but if we see it in big clumps.
Lasers it. That's good. Perfect.
Tiny. All right, if we see it, I will point it out.
Okay, you can zoom out. But
Thank you.
what's that, Michael?
See if we can orient like north and just kind of climb up.
Another bamboo
Does
coral.
that work?
Yeah. That's facing the cliff there.
Yeah.
Perpendicular to the cliff there on that heading.
Go up the cliff.
What's that?
Go up the cliff. That way we'll get up contour to our next.
Yeah, it's coming up all the time.
Roger.
Looking north.
Okay. You want me to just go 20 and then we'll ascend as we go?
Sure. It's fine right now.
Yeah, just leave it.
Yeah. What range am I going down?
Wait till we're
You can move 10 closer.
yeah.
Just head to the north.
Bridge now. 10 meters bearing north.
I'm not sure how fast it slips away.
Thank you. Yeah, for sure.
Are you coming up all the time, are you, Mike? Are you coming up? You could hold about 10 to 15 delta. Probably closer to 15 would be great.
Some more of those sponges up at the top.
Yeah,
Tiny
was
bit.
looking
still
at that.
small.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would be more confident if
Dude.
it was a bigger patch that
Right.
that's what we were looking at.
Yeah. It's a trick pen. Just went to write something and the top popped off. It's a good weather project, Dan. See if we can do that. The meso NMEA.
What is your current weather update?
It doesn't look good. I think the plan is to still be on deck at 8 p.m. local, and then we have a transit to get into some shelter before the weather comes. Otherwise, it would be not a safe transit. And as far as how long it lasts, we'll be monitoring it closely, but it looks like at least a couple of days.
I think we're good for another 10.
Roger. Bridge nav. $10 meters north, thank you.
How high are we coming up, Ernie? What depth do you see your target there?
Yeah, let me just confirm that, but I think it's about 100 from where we are.
A lot of silent here.
What type of sea stars are those that look kind of like cushion stars?
Oh, I missed it. I was taking notes.
It's the big orange.
Not sure if he moved or not, but you're probably good for another 10.
Yeah, that one's called in still. I can add a stack another though. Bridge
It
snap.
could be one of the.
Yeah, make it 20.
One more step, please. Thank you.
Soul.
Hold what you got there, Mike, please.
So that fish is resting almost vertically against this wall.
What was that?
Is that fish resting vertically against the wall face? That's
Seems
kind of
like
an
it.
interesting
Looks
position.
like it. Yeah, that soul goes back there. Yep, spinning around.
It's starting to move a little bit now. So.
Yeah, right.
Got 20 incoming.
Oh, and a grenadier.
I don't know. I got a nest there or something?